For almost everyone across the globe, the COVID-19 pandemic has radically influenced life, and creators are no exception. Due to this, StarTech company has been introduced to fulfill the requirement needed in today's society in healthcare section. StarTech has been operating for 2 months, which founded in early 2021 and located at Bangi Utama Shopping Complex, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. The company employs 6 people, which consists of 2 designer engineering, which are Isaiah Chong Kai En and Harold Japok, 1 manager, Muhammad Faiz, 1 accountant, which is me, Muhammad Amin, and 1 marketing designer, Muhammad Shukri, and 1 secretary, which is Ahmad Muhaimin Alibi. Despite operating in a region with other advanced technology company, the investor shows a high interest in product design and idea of the StarTech company innovation, which is the multipurpose sanitizer.
Now let's look at the background of actual product. As you can see, the name of product is Epac Pro Clean 2, and the case here is made from stainless steel, so it does not break easily. Here there is 2 components, which is nozzle and infrared sensor. The function of infrared sensor is to detect the hand of user. When the hand is detected, dispenser motor will send the sanitizer through the nozzle to the hand of user. And here, drip grip is used to collect all the waste from the sanitizer and store inside the container. At the back, there is 4 slots here. The slots will be used to mount the case to the wall, and there is a locking mechanism and a door lock installed so that it can protect this case from any thief. And there are 2 main cable, which is power plug and cable, so it will connect directly to the infrared sensor and to the dispenser motor. You can see that there is a container here, so this container is installed inside the case, so it can be used for refill purpose. For the description, this case is made from stainless steel and it can be mounted to the wall easily. It also provided a locking mechanism for safety, and of course it is an contactless sanitizer and an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. And the cable plug is connected to the dispenser motor and also to the infrared sensor. And last but not least, there is a drip container to store all the sanitizer waste.
So we're moving to problem segment, which is number 1. There is no temperature scanner built in the system, which you can see that the current hand sanitizer that we usually found is the only one function. It only have one function, which is to sanitize the hand. There's no temperature scanner in it. And the second one is there is no ability to store data and the information of the workers. And also this also can cause cannot keep track of the workers condition, because they only have limited function, which is only to sanitize the hand. And this is very crucial, uh, because the disease is actually very infectious, so the chances of to get infected is very high. And the next is we are moving to the reason for the innovations, which is because we don't want to use many appliances to scan temperature and sanitize hand. We only need one, which really help to reduce space. And this also can fasten the process of body temperature checking. And the other reason is because there's a lack of ability to keep a user database. The machine that we built also can automatically save the user's information using face recognition, which is it can record the data of the temperature accurately. And also it can store the worker's ID so that the company can identify which department that the person is working on.
Okay, so for this part, I will describe the innovation itself. Okay, so for the type of innovation, this product is actually under improvement of product. Okay, it is under improvement of product because we actually improve the product to carry out two more additional functions, which are the face recognition and temperature scanning. Okay, so temperature scanning is done by an infrared thermometer, which is built into the MHS, and the face recognition is done by a deep learning model called Insertion V3, which is developed using Python language. Okay, so for the product category, it is categorized into two categories, which is personal hygiene and healthcare monitoring. So the MHS in main function is to actually sanitize the hands of the user, and it can also scan the temperature of the user and recognize the user for contact tracing. So scanning temperature and face recognition is actually falls under healthcare monitoring because contact tracing is in line with that category. So for the product demonstration, I'll pass to my colleague Harold.
Alright, this is multipurpose hand sanitizer, which is our product. This sixth item is our most important item. The first one is LCD for displaying temperature value, and then ESP32 cam to capture the user face for face verification, and then ultrasonic sensor to detect the presence of user's hand, and then infrared temperature to scan user temperature, and then the MHS casing to protect the hardware, and then the nozzle to sanitize user's hand. So this is our product dimension. The length of our product is 150 millimeter, height is 330 millimeter, wide is 120 millimeter, and then weight is 1185.78 gram. All of this data is we retrieve from SolidWorks software. So this is angle view of our product. The first view is 360 view of our product, and then this is top view, bottom view, left view, and then front view, then the right view and the back view. For additional, we add the exploded view to show you how our product is being assembled using all of these items. So the purpose of this product is first is for temperature scanning, and then second is face verification, and then this product also provide the hand sanitizer before entering the workplace, and then this product also can collect and store the user ID, department, and temperature in database. So we can identify the people who infected with coronavirus using the temperature that we store in the database by analyzing the temperature. So in this part, I will explain how the functionality of our product from our product to the PC or SQL, and then to Node-RED, and then to user interface. First is the user face will be verified using the camera, and then MHS will scan the user temperature and sanitize their hand. User ID temperature will store into SQL database through PC, and then the temperature data will analyze to track the risky people, which is the maybe people that are infected with coronavirus, and then all this data will be displayed in the user interface to determine the risky people, the highest temperature recorded. And then the technology that adopted into our product is first is IoT, which is Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is where the MHS, which is multipurpose hand sanitizer collect the temperature of every worker and store it in SQL database, and then the data will be analyzed, and the analyzed data will be displayed in user interface, which can be accessed through any device from everywhere. And then we also adopt 3D print used to made our MHS casing. And then this is a total cost to build one product. So the total item that we use to build this product is altogether is 10 items. And then the total cost to build this product is 876 ringgit. So you can see all of this item, and then this is all the item. So the upgrade made from the previous product, which is the original product is AdBug. This is a conventional sanitizer to a machine. So the upgrade that we make from this product is where our product is consists implement the IoT based monitoring system to monitor the temperature of the user to track the risky people. And then we also have a face verification using camera, and then also we implement the 3D print to make this casing.
Benefit of our product is space saving because we combine three things in one single product, which are hand sanitizer, face recognition, and temperature scanner. Our target market is employees or building owners of a workplace because our product has a face recognition system where it can record time in and time out of an employees. It is not very recommended for shopping mall or grocery store or any public place to use our product. So it is more suitable for employees or building owners of a company.